You guys want to go to the left one?
Yeah.
Alright.
I mean, that's always been the case.
Fair.
I'm gonna need a second.
Not really sure I want that, but okay.
Don't waste your time. Me, I'm a being man.
Damn it.
The way going goddamn many, you understand?
Ah, I regret picking up this favor. Yeah, 13,000 damage, not bad.
Oh, shit.
I hate this friggin' soaring thing.
One, dude.
7,000. Why did I pick up this stupid buff? Again. Huh.
You mean a man? What is this bullshit? I fucking shot that dude. That's a suicide bitch ass.
Who are you linked to? That guy? Okay. Die now.
Hell yeah.
I regret picking up that dang buff, but it's almost over.
No, I don't. I don't.
I do. I was hoping the power one would spawn, so I grabbed it. No bombs, thank you.
Get in the circle.
Ooh, that bitch.
No way.
Ooh, that is a crit for 9,000 with the knuckle sandwich.
Nice.
Ah, I've heard of drive-by shooting,
That bunch of
not
bitches.
float-by
Yeah.
shooting.
Ooh, motherfucker was good.
Lean towards me, Cass.
Ooh, that was up.
I was wondering why I was taking so much damage. I not only forgot to rest, I also forgot to eat.
That boss was no match for my Fist of Thunder.
He refuses to give me his flesh.
What?
I wanted to see what the stats this thing gives are, but for some reason that one can't be harvested.
Ignore my epic cell.
That's what I found. I love this chest.
Cool. What you mean is you found a cosmetic token? Yeah.
Oh, hell no.
I saw Chris running by in the background and thought he was bound.
Ooh, hell no. Now that took fast.
23,000 ain't bad.
Oh, hell yeah.
Fireball.
Fireball. Fireball.
Figure that.
That's all I'm capable of doing, Cass. That's
I don't know if that was an enemy, but it's dead now. Oh, big dude.
Get it.
Get him. Yeah. Yeah.
There's too many crap in this.
They really are. It's a boog. Here, that's the pet bug.
Ah, you bitch.
Yep. Over encumbered. This game keeps giving me freaking sandstone and lumber.
Where the fuck am I? Ooh, I must go to that.
Anybody got 5 wood bundle?
Got it.
Yeah, gonna be honest, I didn't know you could get defenses in this. Can I break this? No. Where'd the bound at? There's one.
It's probably down there. Ah, just and it keeps going on a trap like a fucking idiot. Ah, you bitch.
Let him come into the circle cannon. You enter a domain that you're not allowed in. This is my dojo.
Fucking get. Suiciders are radical. Full on sprinting from the back.
Yeah. Could try sniping, but then could just shoot shotgun in their general direction.
Yes.
Ooh, sniper.
Oh, there's 3 of them running up.
Where are they?
Where?
They have a way up over here? Oh, yeah, they do.
There's no anything to. Just Danny.
I feel like these shots should be hitting.
Oh, we done.
Yeah, but I'm also freaking tired, so I could just be missing like crazy. Here, my good 7 essence.
Okay. Actually, don't know where the way forward is. There's the enemies here. Nice, bitch.
Nemes. Nemes.
Don't know where forward is.
Nemes.
Found the way forward.
I'm more curious what the heck Danny was just saying.
What, Candon?
I have no idea what you're saying. It sounded like you're saying nimmies.
I did.
Oh.
Short for it's cute for enemies. I don't know.
I just came through the door and saw all these bugs just jamming out.
What the heck, dude? Hey, I fucking hit you. Take it on me.
I tried petting it.
Hey, get your bitch ass back here.
Oh, I forgot those guys explode. Yeah, well.
Chris.
What?
Sick of these
I
fucking
saw that.
naders, dude.
What did you say, guys?
I heard that too. What'd you say?
Naders.
No, we heard something different. We heard something different, fam.
Manners.
We heard a hard R.
Get healed.
Yard.
Get healed.
No. Traps are fucking gay.
Let's just waste these freaking bases or whatever. Didn't give lumber.
That's funny.
Down here.
What the hell is under there? Traps are gay. Traps are gay.
There's so freaking many traps. Oh, found another lotus chest.
You try to run away.
I don't know how the fuck we got down there.
There's so many traps in this hallway. Oh, like Chris, walk down that hallway.
Yes, I
Just see the sheer amount of traps.
You just want somebody else to go through the pain.
know. It's okay, I can heal.
It's more I want someone else to say, yeah, that's too many traps.
That's, yeah, I will admit that's way too many.
At least,
Hold
I
still.
at least see where the objective was. I just need to see how to get there.
This place sucks fucking ass.
It really does. Okay, I don't think there's any way to the objective from here. But could be this way.
Worth it. Oh,
I'll
Okay,
set off all
it's
the
here.
traps for you.
All that for 7 essence. That would only be worth it if the S wasn't there. I don't want to
Gotta be the master of the dodge like me.
Or just don't touch the floor.
Lord Lava.
Worse, floor is a mild annoyance.
Got it. The floor. A kindergarten. Cannonball.
A map. Yeah, so next
Yep.
is an infestation. Oh, this will probably be the boss.
Sun giant.
Yep.
Listen, giant. I offer death and death only.
Freaking sandstorms on me up here.
Nope. Who'd I get flung in front of?
Wait, wait, just do. Quit turning away from me, jerk. I wanna shoot.
I'm giving him that Diddy bullet. Now I gotta hit the other side before he notices.
Oh, hi.
He's putting bullshit on.
He's whirlwinding me.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, hey, Robert.
Ah, you bitch. Ah, you fucking bitch.
I understand now. I smacked his hand.
Bitch, trying to get out of my face.
Sandstorms.
Ah.
Ooh, laser beam.
Ah, this isn't fair. I live.
Right, tell me. Sandstorms on me. Sure. Ow. Actually hurt. Freaking robot. Get David.
Die to a stub toe, you bastard.
That's that.
Yeah.
I'm
Sorry about all
stuck
the
in
bramble
Chris's
wall.
wood.
Sorry about all the wood.
Mine was way worse than what it should have been. I'm stuck in
think-
Chris's wood.
Another 7 essence.
7 S's. Alright.
I love that band.
Why the heck are all those giving such tiny essence?
Yeah, wasn't it like giving it like 50 before?
I don't think it was that much, but it was giving at least like 20 something.
Someone complained and the devs are like, yep, less.
Or did they have an update? And now you get what you get because you're playing on balance.
I mean, that is a thing. The difficulty affects how much you get.
So
But
maybe
it wasn't
we're
that small of an amount.
yeah. All right, who's choosing next?
I'm gonna do a bit of crafting and drop some stuff off first.
Yeah, might as well.
Make sure y'all have some bullets.
Oh, I need to be revived. I need to be revived.
I gotcha.
Alright, guys. See you guys later.
Huh, 35 grand. Not bad. Push.
This shockwave enchantment actually kind of helps.
Found him.
1998 health. Just short of 2 grand. Why? Why are you running away from me? The answer was he was stalking Danny.
Yeah, man.
Run them hands, boy.
Not sure if that was some bad server lag or if I just got hurt by a jump pad.
Both.
There's a lotus chest over this way.
I stopped collecting them.
Yeah, I mean the cosmetic tokens are always good to have.
I got 20 of each. I don't need more.
Which is right for me?
I don't know. It's quite a ways down though. So it looks like it would be this way.
Ah, I thought we were gonna be twins.
Okay, I found the way forward.
Damn it, all the way up there. I'm going pretty good.
Guy's on level 29.
Ooh.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Ah!
Not sure why that counted as a challenge, but okay. Whoops.
No, we're kind of different entranceway, but yeah.
Oh, I didn't even see this place.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. Best steal of
Yes.
insight. that a
This
bear?
flag's gonna kill me. This flag's gonna kill me.
Okay.
I lied.
Oh. 20,000 headshots with the pistol. Not bad.
You got 20,000 headshots with a pistol.
Well, damage per headshot.
This is my battleground. This is where I'm staying.
We got mine. Oh, we got
Here they
mine.
come.
Salt marinade. That sounds horrible. Well, I guess not really.
Worth it.
You can't outrun me. I can smell your blood. Is that a bear?
I found one. There's one left, I think. Nope, two left. Two inscriptions
Freaking
left.
sprites.
There's so many in here that I haven't seen before.
Bear.
I keep thinking I hear the symbol, then I run over and it's just sprites.
I see one. Oh, never mind.
Got one.
Oh, it's a light bug.
Oh, I'm right here. Come fight me.
Got it.
Come fight
got
me.
it.
Good
Oh, thank goodness. At least Chris knows what he's doing there. Oh, it's like the next challenge is going to be fabled creatures.
Alright.
Leave this to me, man. Look my fight.
No.
You guys suck dildos. Y'all just hate on my build so much that you can't let me have it.
Alright.
Kaz. Anybody else see that bear just... Oh my god.
Oh.
Because I had to
I gotcha.
reload like a bitch.
Oh, I stumbled upon a boss. I may have fucked myself.
I'm coming. Oh yeah, you have.
Okay.
They're way down.
All I see is corpses and blood, man. Ah,
Bad shooter.
Oh my god.
Oh hey! It's the spider I was bullying earlier.
Yes, what happened here?
No.
What happened here? Well, I was gonna way this way.
And that's the way forward. Of course, we could go back up to the top and get our 7 essence.
You bet.
Okay. What happened to you?
You fell.
Character fell because they refused to
Yeah.
grab onto the crystal.
I looked over just in time to see you falling down while saying that. Rest area.
Maybe. He's lucky you didn't get one. Alright, where is this stupid garbage?
And then you guys can come all the way back down.
Hey, Dad. The big motherfucker too. Hey, you guys got a starving cat that we could borrow?
No why.
Assuming you found a big ass rat.
We got a big ass rat in our house. I wish I could say it's a mouse. It's in fact not a mouse. It's fucking huge.
There he is.
I knifed him.
Ah, I think he's gonna resist the shots. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in.
Let me in.
Huh, almost 32,000 crits. No, it knocked me out again.
Don't worry. Quick, someone poisoned it again.
Good night now.
Oh, you're dead?
Yeah. That's fine. Start over. I got plenty of tier 1 essence to throw all my shit in.
Freaking sprites are annoying.
Piece of shit. I just drank the one man.
Ooh, 4,000. Nice.
Ah, shit. You got me.
And your reward.
Fireball.
8 essence. That's good.
One more dungeon.
Time is it?
You kill it.
Huh?
You kill it.
What
Yeah,
the
I gotta do
fuck
one
do you
more.
think I was doing?
Ah,
I
I'm
already
about to
died.
kill a mouse.
Like, I died more than any of you guys.
Why? Aren't you a gunner?
I'm a gunner, but I like to get in their fucking face with said gun.
Yeah, see.
Really?
The
Piece
shotguns.
of shit. I fucking
I
just
know.
Oh, same.
Same.
Come on.
ID Dobbin.
And I'm setting them all off.
Yeah, that's
Don't do that, that's bad.
Too bad. I have healing.
What are we supposed to do? I don't find any enemies here.
I hear sparkles. Oh. Going down, apparently.
That water's poison. No go down.
I'm sure it's just disease.
Why are there glowing purple flags?
Okay, it was a breaking wall.
Who did? Where'd you down?
This way.
That's a big spider.
Water bullshit.
Ah, I got spitted on.
Yeah, you got that hot tour.
Look at the diamonds. Garbage. That is chest. It was behind a bricky wall, but the wall was not actually there. It was the wrong spot. So anyway, it started blasting.
Oh, that. And so I just started punching.
Fair enough. You do that.
I swear we all need to get on this punching build. For like minor stuff like that. Outside.
Oh yeah. Bad.
Goodbye.
Poison paths are stupid. I just shot with my dagger. Hi.
Now someone named Lulu.
Yeah, that's the random that joined.
Danny, your character's glitched out.
Hope they're good fighting these things, because I am not.
You literally have a grappling cord coming straight out of your left hand.
What?
You have like a grappling cord from your grappling hooks coming straight out of your left hand. Just going into the abyss.
What I call a little sneaky.
Get healed. I'll make me heal you again. Ah.
Oh, plank guys running around.
Why am I reloading my...
Wow.
I just reloaded my knife.
Mm.
And that again on the line.
You harvested with an axe. Fair enough.
Oh, we got it.
Yeah, I shouldn't even try those puzzles when I'm this tired. There's no way I'm fighting shit.
Cookies
Oh,
and
this room
milk.
looks pretty cool. What is it? Bastille of Night? Cool.
Yeah.
Wait.
Big frog. Mechanism active.
I pissed off a bunch of guys.
It's okay, I summoned more of them.
The plastic suit.
What the fuck? Shockwave.
Wait, bro, get mad. Oh, hi. What do you got there? Next wave should be spawning. Darn.
Ah, you son of a bitch. You really jumped out of there. He threw a grenade at his foot and exploded. Ah, you know.
there.
The story guy being an absolute dick.
Hello, I am being pushed sword guy. That is not sword guy, but I'll take it.
Ooh.
Man, that's chasing that guy for a minute.
Hit the ground so hard all the water disappeared for a second.
Mm. I want to hit that guy, but he way the fuck over there.
Happens way too often where your character just refuses to grab onto something.
That's just fun thing.
Okay, no, you can't climb on this. Ah, that was an enemy. Good.
Good shit, Chris. Good shit.
Okay, it's done. Going this way.
That's bullshit, Chris. We both made that shit.
I know.
Jana. We got a special one.
Donna.
Come on, Cass, we gotta kill our mom.
Allow me. Whoa, what the?
It's home, baba.
Oh, fuck am I supposed to punch that?
Go for the toes.
I can't even reach its thigh.
Punch in the toes.
I can't reach it.
Definitely take these 52 grand headshots. Get his head out of the wall. Good harpies. Yeah, when it's dark like this and there's the poison, I can't see anything. Quit jumping away. Thank goodness there was something to mark our way out. That's cool. Fable to Baba is melee damage and HP.
Baba.
Show you.
Make some leather out of that. Pop in the leather and some bismaltus or whatever fasteners. You get pretty good stats right there. Like 24% melee damage and 60 health. Yeah, well.
Alright, it's time for all of us to hop off now.
Yep.
Time for all you guys to hop off and me hop on and everyone turn now.
Fair enough.
Just-
I think that is the end of Nightingale's current content.
What about the mission about the other round or whatever?
That swamp area, it's actually a lower level. You just go there to get the offerings. There's some side quests, but yeah.
Aw, dude, your fucking character's vag flew out of my character's face. No, go away. Away.
You're weird.
You're weird. Dude, I can't kid you enough how much I love the Bard character in Neverwinter. It's fucking awesome.
Cool.